Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to use Frame Mask to quickly swap images in templates. Start by opening Photoshop and loading your template file. Select the Frame tool from the toolbar and click on an existing frame in the template where you want to place your image. Drag your new image from the folder directly onto the frame. Photoshop automatically replaces the old image without affecting the layout. Double-click inside the frame to adjust positioning or scale. This ensures your subject is centered and looks balanced. Repeat the process for other frames in the template. If needed, adjust brightness,